Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is a very bullish day in the crypto market. Bitcoin sitting at $45,000 today. We have the SEC potentially approving these Bitcoin spot ETFs finally, literally in a few days. Cannot wait for that. Updates in relation to Michael Saylor. We also have big updates in relation to Jim Cramer, everybody's favorite. We have Plan B putting out some incredible analysis. Also, massive XRP moves become more likely. Going to go over Solana as well, and Chainlink, another coin that I am extremely bullish on also. Unbelievable times, ladies and gentlemen. My 3COMMAS trading bots are in profit today. Very, very nice. Currently sitting at $400+. Very, very nice. There's a lot to get through, so let's get into the video. Let's change the screen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, formalities are out of the way. Yes, I'm going to go to the community tab, as I do every single day on this channel. Now, I'm holding the Rode wireless microphone here because it's just a lot clearer for me to speak into it. Now, again, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below, guys. I've just put up today, probably about an hour ago, all of my 3COMMAS bots that I've got using, that are in play at the moment, which have been working really, really nicely. I'm going to show you all of that, as well as my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. So, guys, I'm just documenting what's going on in my world and what's making me money. That is literally today. Earlier this morning, I should say 5 hours ago, I was up 289. On the week, I'm up 986, and I'm not complaining about that. So no BS. I'm not showing off. All those people who sent messages there on that last yesterday's community tab post, I'm not showing off. But anyway, let's get into the video, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to coin market cap today, and Bitcoin's sitting at $45,000. Literally pumping, because there could be these ETFs approved very, very soon by Gary Gensler and his team. Finally. It's been trending on all of the news last night. I was watching CNBC and, of course, this morning earlier. And, yeah, I mean, this is crazy stuff, guys. And we even had Jim Cramer talking about Bitcoin. But in the last 7 days, we're still up 6.8%, which is crazy on Bitcoin. And in the last month, it's up 10%. And let's have a look at the year. And I do apologize, my computer does have this lag, which is nuts. It is up 170% in a year, which is madness when you think about that, because the average return in any market is, I mean, the stock market anyway is around about 8 to 10%, right? Absolutely insane. Now we've got Ethereum trading at $2,370 US. We have BNB, obviously now just flipping Solana, $314, 107 for Solana. XRP's at 63 cents. We've got Cardano at 61 cents USD. AVAX, $40. Has been doing quite well, AVAX as well. And by the way, on Solana, Star Atlas, the game is pretty cool, guys. I put a tweet up about that. And I'm very, very bullish on Star Atlas as well. Dogecoin at 9 cents. DOT is at $8.48. We have Matic at 97 cents. Chainlink, we'll see what's going on with that. $15. ICP at $15 as well. I got into ICP probably mid last year, even though last year was like only a couple of days away. But anyway, I'm still holding on to ICP. That was a $140 asset, Australian anyway, in the previous bull market. Litecoin, $73. Scrolling down some other favorites. XLM is at 13 cents. Come on. Optimism, $3.87. We have Hedera at 9 cents. Aptos, $10. I do trade this with my 3COMMAS bots. VeChain, still at 3 cents. Freaking annoying. I'm bullish on it. I'm holding it. I don't care what anyone says. I think supply chain and logistics is going to be the future on the blockchain. The graph, 21 cents. Algo, 22 cents. Scrolling down, Quant, $135. This has been flat for literally 6 months. I'm still bullish on it, of course. Axie Infinity, $8.99 at the moment. I was buying this at, dollar cost averaging at around about $80. So let that one sink in as well. Scrolling down some other favorites. Neo's at $13 as well. Rose, 13 cents. Gala at 3 cents as well. And XDC at 5 cents. Very, very bullish. And look at this down the bottom here. Ranking number 100 is Casper. CSPR at 5 cents. Extremely bullish with Casper. They are working with IBM, building out the quantum computers, which is really, really cool stuff as well. Now, I haven't got crypto bubbles up, and in fact, I should get that up because that's very important. Let's get that up. Oh, sorry about that. Let's have a look. Yes, some people don't like crypto bubbles, but I do. But before I do that, ladies and gentlemen, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, 3COMMAS setups on OKX. You can use these on multiple exchanges. It's completely and entirely up to you. A lot of bullish stuff going up in here. 1,585 posts. Insane. Also, I put up my dividend investing, and again, it's very different to crypto, but it provides me cash flow every single month. That is slowly building, and I've been doing that now for 5 years this year. Incredible stuff, guys. A lot less volatile than cryptos, that's for sure. Anyway, there's also a chat feature in here where you can speak to everybody in the community, and you can also direct message me, and I will respond to you. And I've kept it at $5 a month, which is absolutely nothing compared to what people are making using my 3COMMAS bot setups on OKX. Ridiculous. Anyway, 3COMMAS, ladies and gents, they are running a sale at the moment. There are referral links below. If you use that, you will be able to get a discount on your membership. At the moment, this is 6 days remaining on this. You can save up to 50% on the annual subscriptions, which is insane. Instead of paying, a lot more than this, you're going to be getting a great deal. I am personally using the monthly subscription. You will get 10% off that, which is great. And I can honestly say paying $76 a month, I've made that back tenfold, daily. Unbelievable. So you can either get a monthly, like myself, the Pro plan, because this allows you to trade multiple DCA bots, which is essential anyway, or you can get the annual, or you can get a lifetime membership, and you'll never have to worry about a subscription. That is entirely up to you. But I'm using the Pro monthly plan, and that's what I'm comfortable with. Now, going to my dollar cost averaging bots, I've got 8 bots set up at the moment. All of these are linked in the Patreon. By the way, you can literally copy these as you wish. On 8x leverage. Now, obviously, trading with leverage is extremely risky. Just pointing that out. Do not go trading with leverage if you're an emotional trader. Please do not do that. It's absolutely insane if you do. I am comfortable with trading with it. I have only invested what I can afford to lose. I'm just making that very clear. Now, again, I've got a significant amount of bots running at the moment. These are multi-bots trading both long and short. Just making that clear. You can use single pair bots with indicators, whatever you wish. I'm using an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame and taking 1.5% profits. Yesterday, I reduced my leverage to 8x, so 8 times, because 15x was a little bit wild and things were getting a little bit out of hand. All right. Now, with the multi-bots, you can trade all the perpetual contracts on OKX, or you can trade single pairs, whatever you want. The indicators will pick up the best deals when they get triggered with the bots, with the multi-bots, and it'll uptake that deal. So these are all of my deals currently in play. And if I go to OKX, let me just refresh this right now. I do have, obviously, profits that I've taken in here. And obviously, you can see I've got 4K in trading at the moment. If I come to the futures trading on OKX, let's just open this up right now. And by the way, OKX links are below as well. Feel free to use those. Let's go here, ladies and gentlemen. You can see all of the deals that 3COMMAS have got running for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, because I'm using incognito window at the moment, it's a bit of a pain in the ass. I'm just trying to get this quickly done so I can show you. Now, I've got 83 positions opened up. To trade 83 positions day trading, it would just be physically impossible. You would need like a whole room of screens. There's a couple of guys out there that do this for a living anyway. They've got like literally whole rooms full of screens. But again, there's nothing wrong with day trading. I personally don't enjoy it because I don't like sitting in front of a computer for hours on end watching charts and when to enter in extra positions. I like automatic software. Now, 83 positions. The long positions are in profit. You can see here, $2.27. Now, again, that 1.5% profits doesn't sound like a lot. But when you multiply that out by 80 positions, it's a lot, right? So you can see down here what is going on with my deals. Now, coming to position history, if I bring this up now, I can see on my screen, you can see the profits that these bots have made. Okay, it's pretty incredible stuff. These trade for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Literally, they do not stop. Now, ICP, again, I was liquidated out of that one. The XCH USDT perpetual, I made $24 on that. I say US dollars because it's the same thing anyway, but the profits down here, if I keep scrolling, you will see, if my head's not in the way, $1.50, $1.70, $6.88 right here. So they just continuously trade. And yeah, you do get some losses. That's just a part of it. But coming back to my assets, I'm just going to show you guys right here. Let's just wait. On the day, I'm up 427. On the week, I'm up 987. And I'm not going to show you the month because obviously Christmas has been Christmas gifts and whatnot. But if you go to the 6 months, that's 65%. That's $14,308 in trading. So pretty remarkable technology bulls. Everything's in the Wall Street Bull University. Go join up. It is linked below. Thank you to those members that have joined. And I'm pretty sure, I actually don't know this, but I'm pretty sure you can get just like the free subscription anyway, so you can just join up. So for those of you who want access to the actual bots, there is that paid feature there that you will need to do. Anyway, crypto bubbles, let's have a look here. Bringing this up now. We have ICP pumping 19% today. It's still up 281% on the year, $15. I do hold Internet Computer. Let's have a look here. We have CFX, a good one to trade, up 810% this year. Ridiculous, at 20 cents right now. We have Arbitrum at 8% today, $1.88. I do trade this, and Make is up 9% as well. Still up 252% this year. That's $1,810. That's a very expensive asset for a lot of us when you think about that. Now, Quant, again, flatlining literally for 12 months, $136. I bought this when it was $60 US. I'm still holding on to that. Let's have a quick look at some other gems. Solana, for me anyway, it's still up 872% in 12 months. That is ridiculous. And I'm still holding on to my Solana. I literally bought it the day after FTX collapsed, and I took advantage of that because it was a lot higher in value at that time. So it dropped like a 90-degree angle. I immediately bought it. Okay, very, very nice stuff. Now, moving on, we have the SEC will approve spot Bitcoin ETFs as a political necessity, says TD Cowen, which is really interesting. And the US Securities and Exchange Commission will approve the spot Bitcoin ETF by Jan 10 deadline as a political necessity, according to the investment bank TD Cowen. To us, this is a political necessity as the agency needs to cement its role as a crypto regulator before Congress considers broader crypto legislation. There you go. TD Cowen Washington Research Group, led by Jarrett Singberg right here, Cyberg, wrote a note on Tuesday. We also believe the agency does not want to lose a legal challenge to its refusal to approve Bitcoin ETFs. So they don't want any more legal battles, even though Ripple gave them absolute hell. There you go. Anyway, we've got Kathy Wood's ARK Invest, 21 shares, the first group to file a spot Bitcoin ETF application. Obviously, we'll get that first approval. And by that time, the SEC could also rule on similar filings. More than a dozen firms, including BlackRock, Fidelity, have filed their applications. So I think personally that the SEC is going to approve all of them at once to avoid that competition. Because if someone gets ahead of the pack, it's going to be pretty unfair advantage, so to speak. Michael Saylor begins selling $216 million worth of MicroStrategy stock to buy more Bitcoin. This man, after watching him at Oz CryptoCon live on this screen, it really does change your perspective. And, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I've been holding it since 2016. So let's see where that goes. Let me just bring this up as well. Jim Cramer was literally on CNBC late last night or this morning here in Australia, and he's saying it's a technological marvel and it's here to stay. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because inverse Cramer always happens. Like whenever he says he's bullish on it, it goes the complete opposite way. So let's see where that goes. But anyway, he came out saying it's a technological marvel. And this thing, you can't kill it, Cramer told CNBC. David Faber, Bitcoin is a technological marvel, and I think people need to start recognizing it's here to stay. Well, we said that for a long time, Mr. Cramer. Plan B, bullish on your charts, mate. Absolutely legendary. We will hit 100K this year as Bitcoin starts off the year with fresh rallies. And crypto analyst Plan B has been putting out some incredible charts. The stock to flow model, Raoul Powell uses this as well. My forward guidance for 2024, this is what he's saying, has not changed from October 6th when Bitcoin was 20K, see below. Rise into April 2024, the Bitcoin halving around the stock to flow model values around 55K. And then obviously between 30K and 100,000 US dollars, pump after halving. We will hit 100K in 2024. Stock to flow target value is 532,000. As an average, the range is between 250,000 US and $1 million, which is nuts. It's just going to be absolutely ridiculous. This is incredible times. I'm very excited. Getting through this massive XRP move becomes more likely. What's the next target? And I do believe Ripple will have, and I should say XRP will have a massive move because, again, there's a lot more clarity now. There is regulatory clarity, via the courts. It's a different time for XRP this time around, guys. There really is. And a close look at the daily chart reveals a robust support region comprising of 100-day and 200-day moving averages. I use those averages as well, by the way, to trade sometimes, along with the lower boundary to the wedge, 58 cents. This level has effectively halted multiple bearish attempts, underscoring the existence of substantial demand. Notably, the recent occurrence of the golden cross, which again is bullish for crypto, where the 100-day moving averages crosses over the 200-day moving averages, signals a bullish outlook for Ripple's long-term prospects. And in context, the price approaches the narrowing end of the wedge. A breakout of the upside could initiate a substantial bullish trend, which is very nice as well. So there you go. Technical analysis heads. That's one for you. Now, can Solana continue its path in 2024? Solana's been doing incredibly well, but as a traverse into 2024, the trajectory for Solana becomes a pivotal question of the crypto market. A glance at Solana chart reveals its strong growth, followed by a recent phase of correction. Has come down a little bit, but it's still bullish. And the moving averages have aligned into the manner that suggests a strong bullish trend, with the price consistently staying above these indicators, which is good. However, Sol has recently experienced a pullback, hinting at a period of consolidation, and this could be attributed to active profit-taking and venture capitalist VCs, which was foreseen in the event, in the last couple of weeks anyway, substantial appreciation over the past month. So a retracement is also part of the natural market cycle following its impressive rally. Very, very nice. And yeah, a lot of people would have taken profits because it's just been absolutely skyrocketing. Chainlink rises 5% in 24 hours. Is a $34 prediction viable? And Link was up more than 5% in 24 hours. Buying pressure was high and most indicators looked bullish. The year 2024 began on a good note for multiple cryptos, and Chainlink was one of them. Notably, a bullish pattern formed on Chainlink's chart, suggesting an increase in possibility of a bull rally. Here we go right here for those TA analysts. Chainlink shows a sign of a bull pennant formation. A decisive close of $17.20 could be the catalyst for a breakout, potentially propelling Link toward $35. Very, very nice to see that. I am going to open up X. Actual fact, I'm not going to do that because it's just going to take too long. But let's go back to cryptometer.io. I'm going to end up on my favorite cryptos, and they are the banking coins, ladies and gents. I don't care what anyone says. I'm over the meme coins. I'm only focusing on utility. I'm incredibly bullish on Solana. This has been doing incredibly well. Like, honestly, I do believe it will have a run. I hope it's going to be similar to what Ethereum did in the previous bull market. But let's have a look in the last month alone with Solana. It's up 69.86%. Let's have a look in the last year alone. It's up 847%. 847%. Come on. ridiculous. Now, I checked my first buy with Solana, and I bought when it collapsed with FTX. Now, I'm going to bring this up here. Let's have a look. And I'm pretty sure it was around this time. No, it was actually a lot higher than that. I mean, it was 130 US dollars. And I have to just check when the collapse of FTX happened, but it was around this period here in 2022. And yeah, I bought the dip. So it was around about $30. So there you go. I bought it at that level. Actual fact, it was around about 28 Australian dollars. So I'm still up significantly on that investment. This is what happens in crypto. You have to turn your investment strategy around, get bullish when people are bearish. And of course, XRP, hopefully it does have a run. Everyone's waiting and patient with this, and everyone has to be. But I think we're going to be seeing some pretty insane gains with XRP, given the fact that there's legal clarity now. It's literally one of two. Bitcoin and XRP have legal clarity. It is not a stable coin. Stable coins don't hit $3.30 at the peak of the bull market in 2018, as you can see right here. And I think we will have a massive run up as well. Just going back to the 2021 bull market, let's just bring this back up. It hit a high of $1.60, I believe. I can just get my mouse there. It's just not working. But anyway, very, very nice. And, you know, the max supply is 100 billion right here. And we've got 99 billion in circulation. So there you go. Most of it's in circulation anyway. But these Bitcoin ETFs, guys, honestly, things are going to get pretty crazy in this space when these get approved. But anyway, I'm out of here. Make sure you join the Patreon. It is linked below. And you don't want to get past these gains right here, which is ridiculous. $430 a day. Let's just have a quick look at that. If it's $430 a day, 7 days, that's $3,000 a week. Very, very nice. And that helps a lot to pay the bills. But anyway, I'm out of here. Have a good night, have a good afternoon, and have a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. All right, Bulls, I'll speak to everyone soon. Peace out. Bye.